In this video, we're having a look at the brand new Evolution Mini Recessed camera. The Evolution Mini Recessed brings the same great features as the current Indoor Mini. However, the Evolution Mini Recessed has an extremely low profile and visual impact, making it unobtrusive and very discreet. Its ABS casing may even be spray painted to fit with the aesthetics of any store design. The Evolution Mini Recessed was specifically designed to be mounted in retail stores and other premises where architects or owners are paying particular attention to visual impact. At the same time, installation is made very simple by a proven and effective spring-loaded system, which also allows for easy removal and maintenance if required. The Evolution Mini Recessed opens up new possibilities in the more demanding applications of 360-degree cameras, such as retail stores, hospitality, banks, and many others, basically anywhere where aesthetics and discretion or a more covert approach are important. To take the next step and see this all for yourself, please visit our website.